Alright, so today we are going to head out of the office and make some surf rod holders, as I'm doing here. And we're going to head out to do some crab snaring on Ocean Beach. Should be fun.
So, kind of back to my minion glasses here. The surf rod looks like it's pretty okay. It's about a 4-foot tall guy. So just pretend that you'd be like stabbing into the sand, obviously. And then, so this thing's kind of made so that when you put your pole in, that it doesn't just jam right up to the reel, so it stops, right? So it kind of gives you a little bit of a buffer. And then, you know, you're probably going to be in the sand, maybe slightly angled a little bit. So, not bad. Actually, then you can probably still use the reel. Okay, I think the rod holders actually worked out pretty good. It's a 4-footer that I made. You kind of see the stopper on the bottom. It has that stainless hardware with the wing nut. So that's pretty much how deep the handle goes. So just trying to enjoy our time right now and wait for that crabby. Let's see, how many snares did we lose and how much did this crab cost? Cool. We'll put them in the bucket. Yes, dinner. He's gonna go in. We're probably gonna use the aerator thing. Give him some, like, so he gets to breathe. Seems like some of the hard work's kind of paying off. Got at least a 2-pounder here that we're keeping him kind of fresh for tonight. Can taste him already.
Right?
Oh yeah, 5 3/4.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Cool. We got another one, guys. All right. You got a buddy. Woo. Alrighty. Yeah, 6 inches.
That's fine. Yeah.
That's good. Cool.
I am happy. You want to throw the list? It looks like they are. They definitely are not liking each other.
All right. All good.
Blacks for your on
So, battery operated aerator so that keep them fresh for as long as you can. He's whoa. Alright, he's got a hold of, ow. Whoa. Dang. Alright, he's whoa. Oh my god, pretty feisty.
So another beautiful day here in California. Hey, so we're out here. Hopefully get a couple more crabs. And if you like what I'm actually doing, hit that subscribe button down there on the right hand side. I need some subscribers. Got 63, I think, as of today. Yeah, actually it's kind of neat to be outside, you know, outdoors, away from everything, a little break from COVID, sort of forget about all that stuff. So we'll see you next time. All right, bye.